Hey there, plant lovers! Welcome back to Tiny Leaf. Today, we're exploring the incredible diversity of Monstera plants. From the iconic Swiss cheese plant to rare variegated beauties, I'll be introducing you to 10 amazing Monstera varieties that every plant parent should know about. Let's dive in. Starting off our list is the classic Monstera Deliciosa. Known as the Swiss cheese plant for its iconic split and perforated leaves, this variety is a must-have for anyone wanting a tropical vibe in their home. It's hardy, easy to care for, and truly stunning. Next up, we have Monstera Adansonii, also known as the Swiss cheese vine. With its smaller leaves full of holes, this variety is perfect for trailing elegantly from hanging planters or shelves, adding a delicate, airy touch to any space. Now, for those seeking something truly unique, check out Monstera Obliqua. This rare species features leaves that are almost entirely perforated, a real collector's gem. Though a bit more challenging to grow, its ethereal appearance makes it a coveted addition to any collection. Moving on, meet Monstera standleyana. Known for its elongated leaves often marked with striking silver or white streaks. This variety stands out with its unique patterning and dramatic form. It's perfect for adding a touch of modern flair to your indoor jungle. Fifth on our list is Monstera Borsigiana, a cultivar of Monstera Deliciosa that's slightly more compact and faster growing. It's a great choice for those with limited space who still want that classic Monstera look. If you're after a real showstopper, check out Monstera Deliciosa Variegata. This stunning variegated form features splashes of creamy white on its green leaves, making each plant a true piece of living art. Remember, variegated plants can be a bit more finicky, but they're totally worth it. Seventh is Monstera pinnatipartita, often considered a juvenile form of Monstera deliciosa. With deeply cut, almost fern-like leaves, it offers a completely different look during its early growth stages, perfect for those who love a dramatic, sculptural plant. Next, we have Monstera siltepecana, a lesser-known species prized for its velvety leaves and subtle silver accents that develop over time. Its unique texture and color make it an absolute treasure for collectors looking for something out of the ordinary. Ninth on our list is Monstera Thai constellation. This highly sought-after cultivar features mesmerizing, cosmic variegation with random splashes of cream and green. Its starry appearance has made it one of the most popular and expensive Monsteras on the market. Last but not least, meet Monstera dubia. Known for its small, heart-shaped juvenile leaves that cling tightly to a support, this variety transforms dramatically as it matures. It's a fascinating species that offers a completely different perspective on the Monstera family. And that wraps up our tour of 10 amazing Monstera varieties from around the world. Which one caught your eye? The classic Deliciosa, the rare Obliqua, or maybe the cosmic Thai constellation? Drop your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, share it with your fellow plant enthusiasts, and subscribe to Tiny Leaf for more plant care tips and botanical inspiration. Thanks for watching, and happy planting!